What's up, guys? It's Chris Patrick, better known as the Knife Brother, also known as the kitchenware extraordinaire. I got with me, it just came from UPS, I got with me the brand new knife that Cutco sent me. It's the brand new 6-inch vegetable knife. Cutco sent it to me absolutely free so that I can show you guys, and we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing so that y'all can see it when I see it. I've never held this thing before. I've never seen it live. I've only seen it on the websites like you guys. So now we're gonna get a chance to look at it firsthand and like try this thing out. So we're gonna take our Cutco super shears and we're gonna dive right into opening this up. I'm so excited. Y'all don't know, this is actually, the big version of this knife is actually my favorite knife. This one right here, it's actually my favorite knife in the whole entire kitchen. I mean, it's just amazing. I use it probably more than any knife in the kitchen. And I know as Cutco reps, we're not supposed to have our favorite, because we're supposed to sell you them all, this big old set, which is amazing. But there is a right tool for the right job, so I don't use it for everything, but I use it more than any knife in the kitchen because it's one of my favorites. So I'm gonna show you the smaller version of it. You guys are seeing it just like I am for the first time. Boom, there it goes. Cutco makes this easy to get into. You just rip the side. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited to check this out, y'all. I have no idea. All right, so here we go. For the first time, let's look at it. Oh, the Cutco 6-inch vegetable knife. There it is, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera there, but there that bad boy is. I'm so excited. First thing I noticed when I hold it is it's actually light. It's really light. It's lighter than I was expecting even. Compared to the other one here, you can see the difference in size. This one is 7.5 inches, almost 8 inches long. This is 6 inches long. And for the people that don't like big knives, they're really gonna like this knife. A lot of times people won't grab this knife because they feel it's too big. Now you have no excuse. This is the right size for you. So yeah, let's try this thing out on a red pepper here that I got. And this is gonna be the first time cutting through it. Let's check it out. It went through with barely any pressure. All right, let's get one more little snap off there. Perfect. Now let's chop it up into pieces here. And it's going through like butter. I love it. I think I may have a new favorite knife. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I may have a new favorite. Because of this size and ease of use, I'm thinking I may use both of these more than any knife I have. Look at that, guys. Scoop it right up. Woo! Woo! I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Scoop it right up. Guys, you have got to get this one. Hit me up if you want to get a quote on this thing. It's amazing. Chris Patrick, the Knife Brother, showing you the unveiling of the Cutco new 6-inch vegetable knife. Y'all, I'm about to go to work in here, seriously. Y'all check me out in another video. Knife Brother, Chris Patrick, Chris Kitchenware Extraordinaire. Take it easy.